In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create an AI logo in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Canva account, and you will either be taken to the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Now, once you are inside of Canva, navigate over to the left-hand column of menu options and click on Canva AI. Once you click on Canva AI, you will be presented with Canva's AI tool. And essentially, what you need to do is locate the text bar, click into it, and describe the logo that you would like Canva to create in detail. So I will create a YouTube logo. So I'll say, please design a YouTube logo for my channel. It is called Software HQ. So you want to be very specific and describe everything in detail so you can get exactly what you'd like. Okay, so now I've typed in what I'm going to need. So once you are done, you can simply just click on the arrow to submit your prompt. So we will wait for Canva to generate the logo. So we're taken into the Canva design editor, and there we have it. So it's given multiple different logos that we could use. So it says, I've created several YouTube logo options for Software HQ with your black and yellow brand colors and modern tech aesthetic. Each design incorporates tech elements like circuit patterns and geometric shapes to reflect your channel's focus. You can click on any design to view it in full and make edits as needed. So you should have multiple options on your right-hand side, and if you're not happy with any of them, you can come back and click into the prompt field, into the prompt text field, and you can edit the design. So you can say, maybe give me more designs, and please can you make them feel more modern? And then click on the submit arrow. So I've made an error in my prompt, but it's still going to generate it regardless. So we're just going to quickly wait for it to generate these. So it's added more. It's adding the new logos below. There you go. So we have more logo options now after going back and asking for more. So we're just going to wait for these to completely render. But while we wait, with the logo that you do like, you can click into different elements of the logo and you can edit and change colors using the top row of options to edit each element. So you can change the font, text color, the text formatting, as well as positioning effects. You can also add more elements such as objects and shapes to your logo if you would like to customize it further. So now here are the rest of the additional logos. So once you are happy with your logo, let's say this is the one that we want to use, simply locate the top right share button, click on it, and once you do, come down to download, click on download, and make sure that the file type is a PNG. Leave the size as is. Do not click on compress file because that will result in a lower image quality, and do not click on transparent background unless you would like a transparent background logo. Then you can click on this. But note that these are all Canva Pro features, so unless you have Canva Pro, they won't be available. So now look over to the select pages section, click the drop down, and you can click on select all to uncheck it, and then you simply just check next to the logo that you would like, click on done, and then click on download. And when you do that, Canva will start preparing the download, and once it is downloaded, you can access it wherever it is in your device. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if you had any struggles during the process, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below and I will respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video.